Dito na tayo sa Sydney CBD. George Street. Dito dumadaan itong kanilang tram. Lagi na lang. Ay, wait lang. Saan na ba tayo? Saan ba dito yung... yun, Westfield. Dito yung Queen Victoria Building. Mecca. Dito na siya sa CBD. Papunta pa kami sa St. Mary Church, Catholic Church. Yun yung Westfield nila. Keep walking, Chris. Yung tower. Sydney Tower. So cute. We are here in the Sydney CBD. Walking around. Westfield. Sydney Tower. Ito. State. Sydney Film Festival. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Thank you. Oh, naka-green naman siya. Westfield. Patay mo. Uy. Baby, hawakan mo. Yun yung Sydney Tower. You can get the best view here, closer view. Oh, let's go. Rolex. So, pangarap ni Lakay magkarelo siya ng Rolex.
Bakit? Baka naman.
Baka naman. Ito, Omega watch. Ay. Grabe. Westfield. Ito naman is Moncler. Ganda, oh. QVB. Queen Victoria Building. There's also downstairs here. Pero hindi na kami bababa. Kainan ulit. Shopping center ulit. Shoppings. Boss. Kate Spade. Swarovski. Polo. Coach. Mulberry. 8 p.m. Sportscraft. Ang dami. Saba. Browns. And RM Williams. Good siya. Queen Victoria Building. Saramre. Go there, anak ko. Ano ba to? Polo Ralph Lauren. So, yan. Mga makikita dito. Lagi ko nakikita tong Victoria's Secret. Gusto atang bumili ako dito. You can access Queen Victoria Building by Town Hall Station. There's also jewelries, food court. Food court to. Little fish shopping. Nice one. Daming tao. Ano ba ngayon? Thursday. Yan si Ramray. Lakad lang ng lakad. Auntie and Anne. So, meron pong food court matatagpuan dito sa Town Hall. Yan, papuntang Queen Victoria Building. Tapos, yung dito sa side na to is yung food court. Papuntang food court ito. Ito yung food court nila.
Sit down para lang lang.
Ayan, kakain na po kami. Tapos na po kaming mag-ikot. Mag-ikot na naman kami mamaya. Ito po ay itong mga katsu. Ano ba itong binili natin? Katsu tsaka tantan.
Katsu. Katsu.
Ano ba yun? Tantan men soup. Ito, tantan men soup. $16 lang yan.
Japanese food.
Japanese food. And ito po is yung pork katsu coridon. Meron na siyang rice, pork, fried pork, soup, and salad. So, ito naman, tatlong iyan ay ano naman yan, $28 including the water. So, yun, kakain na po kami. Tignan natin kung masarap yung mga foods here.
Hi. Today.
Ay, ako.
Try natin tong salad nila.
Elephant guy.
Try natin kung masarap. Good. Good siya. Hot? You blow it, anak. Blow.
It's too hot.
Sarap ba yun, sir? Pork katsu.
You have it. No, this is
Ito naman sa akin mga dahon-dahon.
That is the soup for baby.
Mag-eat muna ikaw, rice muna.
No, I don't want
Good.
rice.
Naman natin tong tantan men. Spicy siya pero pinaalis namin yung spicy niya kasi si Ramri kakain. Let's try it. Good. Like it. Ito. Let's taste it. Masarap.
Wow.
Okay naman. Ito naman sa Ichiban Boshi.
Noodles.
Makainin sa manang biday. Kaya try natin tong miso soup. Soup nila. Favorite ko talaga yan, miso soup. Sarap nito, roasted and caramelized. Anong pangalan nito? Notorious. Notorious. You like there? You like here, Ramri? You wanna buy?
Yeah.
We bought
Here.
caramelized popcorn. Ay,
Hi.
ayun.
Hi.
Hello.
You got me hot.
What is your what are you eating there? Caramelized popcorn. Can I taste it? Nice. This is inside the Victoria building, Queen Victoria building. Diyan na yung coffee. Try mo nga yung coffee kung masarap ang Babet coffee.
Try ko?
You try it if it tastes good. Good? Mahilig siya sa coffee kasi. Ako naman ayoko. I don't like coffee. I prefer hot chocolate.
Pait.
Sure ka ba?
Walang asukal pala to. Pero masarap.
Oh, you eat na also your ano oh. And you're gonna also drink your coconut water. Puro kami kain dito muna. Habang
Coffee?
nag-roam around
Coffee?
the CBD.
Just for daddy lang.
Oh, yung building na yan, David Jones, makikita ang mga Louis Vuitton, Chanel, gusto yung bumili. Malapit lang dito sa St. Mary or St. James Station. Yan, pupunta kami ngayon sa St. Mary. We're gonna visit the church. I'm gonna say thank you to Papa Jesus. Uy, tapon muna dito. Ito naman ang Fendi store. Ay, sarap magkaroon ng bag na ganyan, oh. Yan, St. James Station. Kung gusto nyong, pwede yung bisitahin yung St. Mary, malapit sa St. James Station.
Ay, no ah.
Just close. You can take the train going to St. James Station. Yan. We're going now to St. Mary. St. Mary Catholic Church, one of the biggest Catholic or cathedral here in Sydney.
More daw, more.
More? There's more there. Favorite niyang ano, popcorn, caramelized popcorn. Yan, may mga coffee shop din dyan. Ayan, we're walking you through. We're here na in close to the St. Mary Church. There's a fountain here. There's a lot of, tourists who's doing photo shoots here. It's Instagrammable view. So if you happen to visit Sydney, don't forget to visit here. Just close to the St. James Station. You're gonna ask the guard there or people where is the St. Mary and they will direct you to in this area. See? Nice. There's also big trees here. You can go walk through over there. There's construction ongoing there kasi. That's why. Huh?
Simba?
Oo. 5:30. Yun, upo muna kami kasi napagod na. Kapag December here or December 24, they are celebrating Christmas there in St. Mary. So there's a lot of activities. So you can also visit here during December. Nice one. Okay, lakay Edselkim Mabanta. If you rate the Sydney CBD 0/10, 0 as the lowest and 10 as the highest, how can you rate it?
10 ako, 10. Perfect 10.
Why 10?
Kasi marami kang doon. If you want to eat something, if you want coffees like that, yun.
You can just have it. 10/10? So high naman. 10/10, so high. Me,
Pag may pera ka, maraming branded doon na mga watch,
oh.
shoes, branded na mga bags.
Shoes, watch.
Yun.
So ako naman, ang rate ko naman dito, 0/10, maybe 9/10. Before 10/10, now 9/10. Kasi nga, you will not get the best view, most especially here at the moment. Because there's construction, always there's construction happening here. So sometimes you cannot get the best view if you wanna take a photo. There's obstruction there. So it's beautiful city. It's a beautiful place, city, CBD, Central Business District. Everything is aesthetic. Okay, if you rate the CBD Sydney, how can you rate it? Oh, you hold it.
What is your score?
What is your score? 10 over 10? 10
10
over 10. Okay. So bye. Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you on the next vlog. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. See you.